This is the Duel Wheel Kit. I'm going to show you how to use it and how to get the best from each and every product. So the first product up is Axis Wheel Cleaner. Now this can be used neat, but we do recommend you dilute it. You use one of our handy dilution bottles for that. All the ratios are on the side there, super easy to follow. We're going to spray this onto the wheel surface, allow a short time to get to work, and then using the wheel brushes, we're going to get those wheels clean. So that's the wheels clean. Next up, we're going to turn our attention to the tyres. Now for that, we need cleansed tyre cleaner and also a tyre scrubbing brush. Now it's really important that we do clean the tyres prior to applying profile tyre dressing. This just ensures that any old tyre dressing has been removed and the new tyre dressing has got the best possible service to stick to. Now it is important to note that we repeat the tyre cleaning process until the foam generated via scrubbing the tyre is white. That's how we know that all the dirt has been removed from the tyre surface. And now it's time for the final product, Profile Tyre and Trim Dressing. Now as we know, no wheel cleaning process is complete without a well-dressed tyre.